Can all work on electrical cabinets be carried out with just a single tool? With Wurth's AS280 wire stripping pliers, it certainly can. The swivel blade automatically adjusts from a longitudinal cut to a circular cut. By means of a thumb wheel, you can set how deep the cut should go. A quick replacement for a broken blade can be found in the handle. Once the sheathing has been removed, you can strip the strands with the other side. This is quick and easy to do, and with the scale, you'll always achieve the correct length. Wurth's AS280 wire stripping pliers, an intelligent tool for fast work.